हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी सेकंड के यूनिट नंबर 1 नर्वस सिस्टम पर मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। तो मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड सॉल्यूशन ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूरॉन that send messages to other neurons. Answer is A. Question number 2, what kind of the cell make up the nervous system? Answer is B. Question number 3, identify the part of the neuron. Answer is B. Question number 4, an example of voluntary movement would be. Answer is A. Question number 5, the nerves in your fingertips are part of the nervous system. Answer is B. Question number 6, a nerve cell is called a. Answer is B. Question number 7, the nervous system is composed of the dash and. Answer is C. Question number 8, the nerves in your legs are part of the dash nervous system. Answer is B. Question number 9, the function of the nervous system is to control. Answer is D. Question number 10, two major branches of the nervous system. Answer is A. Question number 11, nerves are made up of nerve cell called. Answer is B. Question number 12, what is true about nerves? Answer is C. Question number 13, our dash receive messages and send them to the brain. The brain sends messages to our body on how to respond. Answer is C. Question number 14, which neuroglial cell form the blood-brain barrier? Answer is B. Question number 15, what does the nervous system do? Answer is B. Question number 16, what are the three main parts of the nervous system? Answer is C. Question number 17, what is considered the command center of the nervous system? Answer is D. 18, what is the peripheral nervous system consist of? Answer is C. 19. What is the gap between two neurons called? Answer is B. 20. The peripheral nervous system contains what? Answer is A. 21. The somatic nervous system is under what kind of control? Answer is A. 22. The autonomic nervous system is under what kind of control? Answer is B. 23. What is represented by D? Answer is B. 24. The autonomic nervous system controls. Answer is A. 25. What is represented by C? Answer is A. 26. The basic structure and function of the nervous system is what? What is the name of the cell associated with the nervous system? Answer is A. 27. What is in the picture? Answer is B. 28. Label the neuron. What does the letter A represent? Answer is B. 29. Label the neuron. What does the letter D represent? Answer is D. 30. Label the neuron. What does the letter E represent? Answer is D. 31. Identify the part of the neuron. Answer is A. 32. Irritability. Answer is A. 33. Conductivity. Answer is B. 34. The branch-like structures are called. Answer is D. 35. What is the name of the cell that support the cells that send information? Answer is D. 36. What type of neuroglial cell attaches neuron to capillaries? Answer is A. 37. What is the main function of oligodendrocytes? Answer is A. 38. Neurons that only have one process. Answer is C. 39. What is represented by E? Answer is E. 40. Myelinated neurons are dash. Unmyelinated neurons are answer is A. 41. The sense of dash is possible due to sensory receptor in our eyes. Answer is A. 42. The sense of dash is possible due to sensory receptors in our tongue. Answer is E. 43. The sense of dash is possible due to sensory receptors in our skin. Answer is C. 44. What sensory receptor reacts to light? Answer is C. 45. What receptors detects pain? Answer is D. 46. What is a thermoreceptor? Answer is B. 47. What is a neurotransmitter? Answer is C. 48. Which neurotransmitter is involved in the fight or flight response? Answer is C. 49. Which neurotransmitter inhibits brain activity? Answer is B. 50. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate Answer is D. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are amazing. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy and stay blessed.